Hello everyone, this is Anand from Math channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at a very interesting problem related to exponents. We're given that a to the x equals b to the g equals c and a to the z equals b to the y equals d. And we're supposed to use these two equations to prove x times y equals g times z. To do that, we just need to go ahead and manipulate the given equations. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So make sure to watch the rest of this video. First of all, by using the first equation, we can say a to the x equals c, and by using the second one, we can say a to the z equals d. So I'm going to go ahead and use these two equations to find d in terms of c. To do that, I'm going to raise both sides of the first equation to z. So we get a to the x raised to the z power equals c to the power of z. Then I can go ahead and rewrite the left hand side as a to the z raised to x equals c to the z. Now based on this equation, we know that a to the z is d, so we can say d to the power of x equals c to the power of z. Now if I raise both sides to 1 over x, I should get d equals to c to the power of z over x. And this is a very important result that we can get out of these two equations. Now the next thing we know is that b to the g equals c and b to the y equals d. So again, I'm going to use these two to find a relation between c and d. To do that, I'm going to raise both sides of the first one to y, so I get b to the g raised to y equals c to the power of y. Then again, I'm going to rewrite the left-hand side as b to the y raised to g equals c to the power of y. Again, by using this equation, we can say b to the y is the same thing as d, so we should get d to the power of g equals c to the power of y. Now, based on what we found before, we know that d is c to the power of z over x. So if I replace d with that, I get c to the power of z over x raised to g equals c to the power of y. And then by multiplying the exponents, we get c to the power of z times g over x equals c to the power of y. And then this implies that z times g over x equals y. Because whenever two exponents with the same base are equal, that means that the powers are equal too. So by cross and multiply, we should get z times g equals x times y. And this is exactly what we wanted to prove. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this short video. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, click like and click subscribe and leave a comment. Goodbye. I'll see you later in another video.